Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, southern Ashland County, eastern Morrow County, Knox County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lexington to Centerburg, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Mount Vernon, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Gambier, Belleville, Centerburg, Danville, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Martinsburg, Gann, North Liberty, Bladensburg, and Mohicanville. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Monday, cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the lower 50s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 40. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming southwest around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Warmer with highs around 70. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest around 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Warmer with lows in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Delaware, Fairfield, Franklin, and Licking. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect northeastern Franklin, northern Fairfield, southeastern Delaware, and Licking counties until 7:15 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., radar indicated strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Centerburg to near Pickerington, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 50 miles an hour, very heavy rain. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Reynoldsburg, Pickerington, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal, Winchester, Johnstown, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Heber, Utica, Millersport, Hanover, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, Warren, Fairfield Beach, and Beechwood Trail. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 112 and 142. Water will pond on roads and may quickly fill roadside ditches and small streams. Residents in these areas should remain alert. If these storms become stronger, then a warning may be needed. To report hazardous weather conditions, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A strong thunderstorm will affect southern Richland, southeastern for Marion, Morrow, and Knox counties. At 6:15 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Cardington, or near Mount Gilead, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour and half-inch hail are possible with this storm. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fairfield County, Licking County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located